Hi guys, today I'm going to show you on how to create a simple platform that can kill a player. First, open the Roblox Studio. Second, choose the base template. And then, after it loads, choose the model, choose the part, and then move it somewhere, and then press F, hit the top here, and then scale it, give some enough space on it so that you can step on it, and then put some enough height, and then click the part again here, and then click the plus, hit the script so that we will add it. And then now we're going to add the kill script, which is this one, and then go to base template again, and then hit play. And then now we're going to see it in action, so we can move now, and then hit that thing, boom, and we died. So that's how you can kill a player. So I hope you like this video guys and you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, enjoy.